Do you love garlic? Do you want a way to preserve garlic? Why not try this instant garlic oil? As we did with the Delectable Delights garlic oil, this one will be different. This one will be instant. So you would need to have 1 cup of oil, whether it is olive oil, or you could use vegetable oil or your favorite oil. Then you'd like to have a whole bulb of garlic. You strip it and then you put it in the blender with the oil and blend. There you have it, instant garlic oil. For those of you who would like to make garlic bread, or you would like to use it as a medicinal, whether topical or drink it or use it in your cooking. Yes, garlic oil, instant garlic oil. Why not try it this weekend? And when it rests for a few days, it starts to seep and it makes a great spread. Enjoy this instant garlic oil. Let us know in the comments section if you try it and what you think about it. If you have not seen the previous garlic oil tutorial, check it out. Yes, that's the slow method, but enjoy this quick, instant garlic oil method. Enjoy this quick method of garlic oil. Look out for an upcoming feature on natural antibiotics. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.